Okay. So let's see. I'm just going to finish my citation. So we'll come back to that in a little bit. I'm going to add that in. But so now kind of going back to this presentation. Oh, I wanted to add that other website. One second. I wanted to add this article from the Atlantic as a PowerPoint. Let's see. Okay, I'm just going to remove again the HTTP with the slashes. Let's see. Perfect. Oop. So I'm just rearranging the objects, again on the PowerPoint, and I'm aligning them, make sure they all line up. Okay. Hmm. Okay. So, all right, I'm gonna make this a little smaller. Okay, I'm gonna pull this object behind up, and this one. Make sure they're aligned. Okay. All right. Oops. That's not what I wanted. Preview. Okay, here we go. All right. So now I've got these three slides here. And then we're gonna also add in, let's see, add one more thing here. Just on the note. We'll just add. Plan. So I went to the, okay, so I came to my degrees page. Okay, I'm gonna copy it. I'm also gonna put it in the notes down here. Okay, I'm gonna say website for design and media studies. Okay. Right. On it, they have this fillable degrees semester map, something you might want to check out. So I clicked on it and it opened this. So I could say semester 1, I took studio art. Semester 2, I took drawing. It's a good thing I'm a writer, not a drawer. 3, and then I transfer credits in here to CCV because I went to school before. So I think they took 27 of my credits. Oh, plus 3. So that's math I can do, plus another 3. So now I've gone up. Okay. And oh, wait, quickly, math, I believe it's 60 minus 33. So I've got 27 credits left. All right. So as of, and now I could have also used an Excel sheet to do that. I did do it in my head and with the calculator, but for example, it's another great feature of Excel. We could say, so each of us, when we're leaving CCV, will have credits. Right now I've got 6 transfer credits, 27 degree requirements, 60, and now I can use a formula in Excel. I can say, okay, so I want to know first total minus, I'm going to use parentheses because order of operations, and so I can make sure that I capture everything. So I've told it, so I need 60 total taken away from what I've transferred in and what I've already completed. So 27 is what I have. 27 credits left. So 27. So let's go back to our fillable map. And let's look at some of the degree requirements. So I'm not sure if you all have sat with an advisor yet, but I'm going to show you what it looks like on, let me get back in. I think I'm going to have to relog in completely. Let's see. Yep. Okay, so we're going to the portal. This is where you'll find it. Okay. In here, I'm going to look at registration. We're going to look at, my baby's sick. Let's see. I can't register for classes at the moment, but log in again. Okay. Go to my plan and schedule. Yes. Okay. So let's see. So I can use this tool in here. Remove this. Okay. Alrighty. So I started in the summer. I took Intro to Studio Art. And then in the spring, I'm going to add, let's see, CCV summer, term. Okay. And then, so again, I was in the portal. I clicked on register for class. They came in here, and instead of the schedule, I clicked timeline. Okay. So let's see. All right. So now I can look, if I click on academics, I can come to student planning, click on this, and say my progress. Go ahead and open my progress. Okay. And this is where you'll see what is going on. So it's again this little academics, student progress, student planning, my progress. Okay. So this is where you'll see kind of your full profile of what you still have. And each of you will probably be meeting with an advisor, of course, but this is kind of where it sits for us. Okay, so total credits from this school so far are 6. I have got, what are they transferring in? 27. So total credits. Oh, so they took 24 credits, it looks like, not 27. I have to update that. Let me scroll down real quick. All right. So they took one of my early classes. Let me go up here. Okay. So these are the classes I have to take still. This is a helpful view for me. All right. So two-dimensional design, intro to visual communication, painting, foundations of sculpture, ceramics, and then an art history or appreciation, and a studio art course, portfolio development as well. Okay, so it's unfortunate 'cause I really want to take color theory, so I'm going to have to find a way. Well, I get to take one of these. That's kind of cool. Look forward to that. All right. And a studio art course. Okay. So now I can think about how long that's going to take me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 additional requirements now. This will be different for each of you. You guys are taking full-time loads. I'm taking, one class a semester. But so semester 3, maybe I'll take, two-dimensional design. And over the summer, maybe I'll do painting. Okay. And then this may not be the most friendly for me, but this is kind of one way that you could use to map this out. So anyway, go back here, academic plan. So I have 24 credits in transferred in. Okay, I have completed 3 credits completed at CCV, 3 credits in progress at CCV. And so let me update this. There we go. So I have 30 credits remaining. 30 credits remaining. And then I'm going to print out this handy document for myself. It's not very well, doesn't really sit well. Save to PDF. Open it as a PDF. Click through. Okay, so this is going to be under my learning though, because this is my pathways. Okay. All right. Total credits right now is 27. Okay. All right. So, I need to take art, and again, this is going to look different for each of you. I'm using this particular example because I am planning to transfer. Okay, let's see. Two-dimensional design. So I'm just going to go through the process here. You guys can speed up if you want. I'm just adding these final slides. So, 145 intro to foundations of sculpture or ceramics. I think I want to do ceramics. And I don't really know what special topic I want to. We'll just say art history for now, of course. Moment. Okay, I will have to do a studio art course. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this 2 columns. Okay. All right. Art history course, studio art course, and portfolio. All right, and I have to do 9 of them here, which is totally fine. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wonder how much the portfolio counts for. I don't really know. Okay, anyway, so as far as I'm concerned, I've kind of completed this. I'm going to add one more slide at the end with a sort of goodbye, thank you. We'll say narrative, or we'll just say thank you. Okay. And my email. All right, now I'm going to just say, in this note, I'm just going to say closing remarks. Okay, I'm going to grab some of this, narrative. Actually, I'm going to do my elevator pitch here. Copy. Be my first sort of like guide. Then on this second one, I'm down here in the notes again, copy this and, it's there for me. Okay. All right. That's what I want there. So I might have a little bit of a transition here between these two. And I'm not sure if the references will paste in the same way. They just paste, don't come in dynamically. Okay. Right. This, this might not flow perfectly, but I'm kind of making this up as I go through to provide a guide. So, keep that in mind. All right. Okay. So now I've got notes on each slide. Kind of got it together here. Let's go back to the assignment. All right. This was the interview script. So this one's already done. We are looking for, there we go, module slide lines. Okay. All right, so I've incorporated the script into the notes section. I'm going to record my script and link to an audio track with each slide that reads your notes. You may do this right in PowerPoint, or you may create separate audio files using an audio editor like Audacity. Follow the guidance on the 2 videos, Death by PowerPoint, include transitions for each slide. So I'm going to come back to the audio script, but I'm going to do the transitions piece. Okay. So I'm going to click in between. I'm going to come to transitions. Actually, I click, on the slide. All right. And let's see, what do I want to do? Yeah, I like that, but I don't want one on this first slide. I want one on this second slide. There we go. And I'm going to keep it simple because I like consistency for myself personally. All right. I've added my transition. Include at least one animation. This can be an image changing, moving, emphasizing some text, or bringing text or images on or off the slide. Okay. So I'm going to do that with this slide because this is kind of one where it will work. Oops. All right. So let's see, animations. I'm going to come here to animations in my slide. All right, animation pane. Let's see. Okay, so I've selected the first thing that I want to appear. Okay, that's going to appear. Then I'm going to have this fly in. Same thing with this. And I want, let's see. What we're gonna do, let's see. Okay, I really like that. And then this one is just gonna be, oh, I really got it on. Oh, oh, that's not the one I wanted. I like this one for this one. But this one, nope. It doesn't look like I can add an animation. So there we go. Okay. So let's see. All right, so there I've added my animations to this. Start on click. All right. And we're going to preview it. Oh, oh, it looks like I'm missing one. This one's first. Let's start from there. All right, so this one, here we go. Okay. So this one, because of how I have the tool I've used, this add-in, it's not going to let it have an animation. So I'm going to switch the order. I'm going to, let's see. How do I address this? It won't let me. Let me do it for any of the other objects, but not that. So it's because of what I'm doing. So I am going to delete this here, and then I'm going to go back to the website. Let's see. All right. And for the purposes of this exercise, I'm going to take a picture. To the Atlantic, get all that information there. Okay. I'm going to insert picture, file, screenshot. I'm going to adjust it down here. Okay. I'm going to move this here, make it a little bit bigger. Okay, there we go. Yeah, babe. Was my phone for one and for two, Will is my never mind, I got it. Got it? Okay. All right, and then now I'm going to add this animation. So I had to change what I was using in order to, allow the animation to work. I'm going to expand both of them. Okay, now I'm going to preview this. Preview all. All right, there we go. So I've added my animation. Okay, let me see. All right, I've got my transitions between slides. I've got an animation on my slide and citations with the media in the presentation at the end of the spoken content. Okay, so let me come back. I'm going to refresh my bibliography, make sure I've got everything on there. Did I add everything? Well, let's see. I did not. So I still have a couple more sources I have to go back and add. So I'm going to do that real quick. Let's see. Okay. So the degree they love to hate. This one I did get. Okay, don't need these anymore. Let's see. Bureau of Labor Statistics. I have this one. Okay. World Economic Outlook. I got this. Okay, let's see. Okay. This is also one of the sources I want to make sure I cite. Yep, I've got it. Got my Bennington College one. I'm going to clean up some of these tabs. Okay. Did I call this one out? I did call this one out. I believe I have that one too. Department of Labor. No, I don't have this one, so I'm going to add this one. Okay, so, all right. Go ahead, come up here. Oh, I do have this one. Yes, it's just by the individual authors. There we go. Okay. Right. Okay, so this, I have to cite this one too, and I don't have it in my interview script, but it's still, being used in my PowerPoint presentation. So I'm just going to add it as a citation for the moment. Okay, this is a online electronic source. Okay. Author is Deborah. And so I can do that here, or I can go ahead and do it here and it'll automatically format it for me. So I will do last name Deborah. Anna. Okay. Title 9 high. Writing jobs for the world. Obsessed. Oh, for the word obsessed. Okay. No. I don't have a city here. Let's see. I'm going to select a website. Here we go. Okay, name of website is the Muse. Okay. Is the oops, link to the specific website. Okay, the date, I should have a published online date, so let's look. Can't find that. Most all. Okay, updated. That's what we're going to use. Okay, 2021, 04, 29. I accessed it on 2022, 11. Okay. Okay. I'm going to delete it here because I don't need it. I did it so I had it here. Okay. All right. That's that. Okay. Oop. Okay. Alrighty. So I got her article. Got this one. Close this. Okay. All right. So let me now do this one. Okay. This is an article in a periodical. The Atlantic is a periodical. So the Muse is a blog. So I left it as a website. There's probably more granularity and guidance on what the best practice is there. Please do your research and ask any professor that may have a strong opinion. So the title and Muse and increasingly popular. Increasingly. Yeah. Yeah. There's the Atlantic. Oh, there we go. Okay. 2013. December. So this is still, a little bit older. Pages doesn't matter here. Let's We're gonna flip this back to website so we make sure we capture the URL. Paste. It is a periodical, but I guess it's there we go. All right. I'm gonna delete that there, update the bibliography again. Okay. I'm gonna add one more slide at the bottom to insert my sources. And let's see. That's not what I wanted to do. I want to just insert this document. Okay, why not? Let me do this. Why will it not let me do this? Where is this? Why don't I see that? Okay, what is it? Okay. So it's showing that first page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into that document. I'm going to change up the order. Drop that text down. Update. And I'm going to drag this up here. This is where okay. I'm going to come down here. I'm going to delete the second one. All right. Now I'm going to save this. This. Delete it. I'm going to try it one more time. See if it gives me the view that I was hoping for. Oops. Nope. Which is that I want to be able to see the citations as they look. Let's try it again. See if it works. Perfect. That's what I wanted. Okay. Now I have my bibliography here. I'm going to add a transition. I like the wipe again. Go. Okay. All right. So now I believe I've addressed all the pieces. Let me just go back real quickly. No, it's not the one. Where's that? All right, well, I will just go ahead and open it again. Okay, PowerPoint presentation. All right. Okay. Include your citations with your media in the presentation and at the end of your spoken content. Okay. So I have addressed all of those. I have my I copied out of that text document, which is why it was so great to have as an initial, to have that written script. I copied it into here. Okay. And then I'm going to go through, I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to record myself going through the presentation, and then I will upload my presentation as well. And then I will come back after that. But this is basically what is needing to be done here in this first one of submit your completed PowerPoint presentation. Okay. All right. That's how you'll be graded. Right. And then you will export that. So that's the submission here. That's how we're going to do that. Okay. So let's see. I'm going to pause really quickly.